Finally, we are at Animal Breeding Farm in Kayunga, Bugerere. This is the Goat Bootcamp 2025. I'm happy to tell you that we've arrived safely, and the team that we've been waiting, they are coming in shortly, and it has been a long journey, but finally we are here to enjoy and learn the Goat Bootcamp. Seriously, this is interesting. 2025, we've registered 28 participants in the Goat Bootcamp, which is very interesting. And this is the team. They are finally here. Everything is set to welcome them. They look tired, but I'm telling you, I know some are sleeping, but I'm telling you, this is a beautiful space to enjoy. Nyongera okubaaniriza eno Goat Bootcamp 2025 tumaze ebbanga ddene nga tubalangira era nga tulanga bootcamp eno, but finally we are here in at the Goat Bootcamp at Animal Breeding Farm esangibwa Kayunga Bugerere. Essaawa ziri emu n'eddakiika ndowooza nga 42. Twasimbudde okuva e Kampala, zabadde essaawa nga twavuddeyo essaawa nga 5. Finally tuli wano kati zigenda mu ssaawa emu, but this is good. Welcome. It has been a long journey. Of course, wano nga batuuse balabikira ddala nga bakooye nga oluvannyuma lw'olunaku olulambo olw'okutambula okuva ku abamu bava mu nsi ez'enjawulo, abamu bava mu bitundu eby'enjawulo, engendo mpanvu. Tewaliwo kyamaanyi ku lunaku olwasooka nga batuuse. Twatangana balaga bagenda kusula, batuukira mu tenti zaabwe ez'enjawulo ezali settingiddwa obulungi ku faamu eno. Oluvannyuma abamu ne batandika okunaabako, ne banaabako ne barefreshinga. Olwo kusaawa nga 4 ne tutandika ne tudda ku fireplace gye twali tutegese ennungi obulungi, erabika obulungi okuzaama. So ne batandika okweyanjula, tutandika okwemanya, buli omu okwogera gy'ava, alina embuzi mmeka, abaagala okutandika n'abaali batandise. Kugamba akawungeezi kaali kanyuvu nnyo.
And somebody decides to come in the bush and see Hamis and his goats. It's really something so beautiful. I don't take you for granted.
So I think you've seen we're not doing a lot of extra feeding, but
mu day 2 eyali Saturday, of course abantu era baali bakyalimu obukoowu, naye era twatandikira olunaku lwali luwanvu nnyo. Abantu bayiga ofuna otya ettaka, omanya otya ettaka eddungi w'olundira embuzi. Ebibuuzo byali bingi. Jjukira eno farm eri ku acres ezisukka mu 6 era twalina ogitambula ambakoowa. Ne balaba ku mbuzi ez'ebika ebyenjawulo zebayita zibbowa, zisavana, nyingi nnyo eziri ku faamu eno. Era faamu eno twagimalako ennaku entini ze twali ku Animal Breeding Farm naye baanyumirwa.
so this is a bag, it's an imported bag. I want this man at least to try it. We want it up. Give him space. The camera, no, we want one person.
That one is a lion.
Man, why are you getting the conversions? No, I have my Kanyama here. He's here. We are going to give you a female. Up, up, sir. Up.
A goat to cost 3 million, sometimes more than a cow. It was very hard even for me to understand, to be honest, until I got here. When I got here, that belief completely wiped off my mind, and I was educated, and I got to understand that actually these goats, for the return of the money, they are so worth it.
Because we learned and we touched, we were just learning while we are touching on it. Because you cannot say, like we have been watching on YouTube, sometimes you don't fail. You try it out, you fail. But when we came to the boot camp, we really saw things, the realities. Like me, I was seeing a he-goat that people are failing to lift on YouTube. I also felt it, and I felt the pain. It was so huge. So the experience that they come, you really feel and touch whatever you have been watching on YouTube.
Yeah, this boot camp was so good. We did a lot of learning. We actually going back as new people, as new farmers, and we're surely going to spread the word, because this is it. This is it for everyone. Like, goat farming is the way to go.
Twayigiramu ebintu bingi okuva ku ndiisa y'embuzi, omanya otya embuzi entuufu ey'okulunda, naddala hybrid. Ku faamu eno tekuli zino locals, oba zoyinza okuba maybe nga olaba mubende breed, zonna zira hybrid. Amisa agamba azijja nnyo South Africa eyo because balina breed ennungi.
I wish we could do these boot camps all over the country and all over Africa.
Olunaku lwagwira mu band, era band yakuba omuziki kumpi ekiro kyonna, abantu ne beeyagala. Jjukira lwali lunaku olusembayo ku faamu eno eya bootcamp. Bootcamp yali nnungi nnyo. Abamu ekiro baakimala ku muliro awo nga banyumya bye bayize.
Yes. But if you came to a place like this, you wouldn't go back the same way. You wouldn't. Anytime you go to pay for food, you'd say it's worth it.
I mean, look around you.
Look around you. All these guys, these are farmers.
These are farmers' cars, by the way.
Structures. Yes, we slept in a tent, but somehow this is like the concept of a farmer's life. They're out in the field, seldom inside buildings like these. So a tent is something to keep you moving. You have to keep moving. You can't lie down and say, oh, I'll wake up at midnight. You don't have midday. You don't have that luxury in a tent. So just knowing where everything is sourced from, I think brings respect and honor to the profession, and then to the people who are eating the food.
The experience has been really so nice. The boot camp, I'm telling you the truth, it has changed a lot of people, and they are still changing.
Twagaba certificate buli omu eyali mu bootcamp yavaamu ne certificate ekakasa nti yeetabye mu musomo guno.
It's been amazing. Amazing is the word, because we've been able to camp. We've been able to meet different people from different walks of life.
I don't know how I can describe it, but I've got a real new experience.
It's been great, and they should keep up improving and doing more and more boot camps for people to learn.
It was a nice one. I am going back really changed, and I am ready to start on a new journey.
What I saw from the internet, from the experience I've got from here, indicates that it is real.
It was fun. It was exciting. The band, the vibe, you know, the people that were here, the food, man, it was good. I'll do it again.
We slept in a tent, but somehow this is like the concept of a farmer's life. They're out in the field, seldom inside buildings like these. So a tent is something to keep you moving. You have to keep moving. You can't lie down and say, oh, I'll wake up at midnight. You don't have midday. You don't have that luxury in a tent.
It was our first time to sleep in a tent.
Yes. It's been amazing so far. We love it here.
Abantu betufulumiza leero, let me say, abafulumi out of this boot camp. I'm quite sure by the time we come back for another boot camp, tewali muntu ajja okuba atalina mbuzi 10 and above.
Kansubira onyumiddwa tusinkane omwaka ogujja mu bootcamp enaddako. Nkubiriza bonna mwetanire nnyo enteekateeka zino zibamu okuyiga, okweyagala n'okufuna emikwano emijja ate egitakuba bukubi lwali ate ejogera ensimbi nawe oyinza okujja ensimbi na ngeri ki gy'oyinza okujjamu ensimbi.
This is what I'm talking about. This is money, and this goat bootcamp equals to money. I'm Ivan Chimuli because this is Happy Farmers. And see ebyobulimi n'obulunzi. We believe in happy families. We believe in happy farms.
Happy Farmers, ensi y'obulimi n'obulunzi with Ivan Chimuli.